What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. Hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep this content pumping, man. We're going to get straight to it. We're going to get into some numbers, and then we're going to get straight into the charts. So let's just start off with some facts here, man. We're going to get some numbers. You know, the job numbers came out today, and let's get straight into it. So the jobs numbers, this is just in October. So it's probably backwards for you on your screen, but I'm going to just read it to you. The numbers of the U.S. economy gained 261,000 jobs in October in 2022, with the unemployment rate increasing to 3.7%. So that was just in the month of October. The jobs numbers came out today, and the current jobs numbers that were created, I'm going to get you the exact number. They just came out at 8:30 this morning, and that number is, give me one second, 263,000 jobs in November. So that's the current jobs numbers that have came out. So the market does not like that. As you can see, the market is tanking, and this is just not good for the market, man. We're gonna see some definitely some high volatility today in this market, and I'm thinking if we break 4,000, we coming back to 39.50 easily. But they're gonna definitely, it looks like they're gonna sell this market off today. So we'll be trading today. We're gonna get to, so that's the job numbers. Then we're gonna get to the wages. So this affects the economy. So the wages. So the wage increase for 2022. So they have to keep increasing wages because of inflation, and also because they can't find employees. So the wages have to continue to increase for two reasons. So the wage increase for this year, it mentions compensation costs for workers increased 1.2% seasonally adjust for the 3-month ending period in September. So the wages and salaries increased 1.3% this year. So average debt to income ratio for this year is 9.5% income. So we're just going to round up to 10%. So the average American debt to income ratio is 10% a month. So 10% of your income goes to debt. So even though the wage is increasing, it doesn't mean anything because of inflation, and they're continuing to increase jobs. So they have to continue increasing in the rate hikes. So the inflationary period will be around for longer due to all these factors. So the S&P is down this year alone. It hit a low peak of 25%. So right now it's about, they gained about 11 to 12%. So they should be about 16 to 18% down for the year at this moment. But they just spiked down, so we could see them drop back down very quickly. So the market's been on sale, man, and when the prices drop again, all these great companies will be on sale again. It's a great time, great opportunity for those who are looking to invest long term. So that's what I see in this market. Definitely some great opportunities to be buying these great companies. So let's get straight into the charts, and we're going to take a look at exactly what they're doing today and what are my targets. Wow. So that's a huge drop in this market. As you can see, man, this is wild. So we got the S&P dropping. They came from all the way from 406 all the way down to 4,000. So that's a huge drop, man. Huge drop. We got about 60 something point drop. So I'm gonna see how they fare off during the open, but we don't know what they're gonna do, man. They could reverse, who knows? But right now, this market is looking real bad for the day. We're gonna get into the smaller time frames in a second. So this is how we're looking. So we officially hit this trend line on the daily chart. So we officially tagged it. So we hit the trend line. All right, so let's zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna redraw this. This is all right. Here we go. So I'm gonna redraw this trend line. We hit the trend line for the year. This is the yearly trend line they just tagged right now. They're at a complete stop right now, man. So this is a major key level they stopped at. Fib level on this move is close to the 78.6 on the entire move. They completely filled the gap. They hit 4100, came off of it. It's not a rejection yet. They could continue to push higher. We do have a gap up here at looks like 42, close to 4200, somewhere in that area from 42.1. So somewhere up in that area, or we could even come all the way back up to 4300. But as of right now, they're holding above this moving average, the 200 moving average. They're holding above it pretty nicely. They hit this trend line, so I'm expecting a pullback at least. They're kind of overextended. On this push up, so kind of overextended. All right, so yeah, we're close to, we're a little overextended. So we could retrace a little bit, come back to 4,000 or 3950. That's been a major key level at 3950 for this market. So since the market is coming out like this today, they close with this bearish candle. I'm looking for them to retest 4,000 first. And if they lose this level of 4,000, the first stop is 3950. That would be my first target for this market, because that has been a major level since that's been since what, the 14th. So they've been up here since the 14th. So that's almost a month, close to a month, man. So close to a month they've been up here. This has been all the price action since the 14th. Looks like the 13th. 14th. We just gonna say the 14th. No, we're gonna say the 11th. We're gonna say the 11th. That's almost a whole month they've been in this area, all the way from 3,900 all the way up to, we're just gonna say 4,000. We're just gonna say 4,000, 3,900 to 4,000. They've been in this range, man, just chopping around. Now this looks like a failed breakout of this range, man. So I'm expecting the price come back down 3950 if they lose 4,000 levels. So I'm gonna zoom in on a smaller time frame to see where we can get in on this play. So this is the market currently. So we don't have much going on. So we got so we got to break out of this range. They fell straight out of this range. So this is the price action for the day, man. So big push down. We got a two-legged correction. So that's all we got for today, man. So gonna be looking for short entries. Hopefully we get some retracement for this big old move. They could come back in the range, but I'm expecting more downside unless they gap down. If they gap down in base, we know they're coming back to fill the gap. So just be careful trading this. This is a tricky market, because this is all you got. So you got pushed down. So everybody is super bearish at the moment. So anything can happen, man. We're just waiting to see what price is gonna do. That's pretty much all we got, man. So strong push down. Now they're ranging. They're in a range. Slightly uptrend. We're gonna draw these lines. Slight uptrend for this market. Boom. So we got something like a bear flag pattern. I don't really do patterns, but that's what it's looking like. Spike, uptrend, and we definitely got to draw our key levels. So we got a low of the day, right? And then we got a high of the day. So this is the range that I'm playing, even though it's in a uptrend. So I'm expecting them to come back and retest this if this is a valid range. They continue to confirm this trend line. We're going to assume that they coming back up. They're going to retrace some to get some of this move back so we can get some participation in the down, the down move. So we'll see what happens today, man. Hope you guys stay green today. I'll see you guys trading live. Out.